Hello and welcome to Lab 4 on System Calls. In this lab, we are going to study the dupe system call. Dupe stands for duplicate. So we are going to duplicate the file descriptor that we are generating using the open system call. Sometimes it might be necessary to have two file descriptors for the same file. In that case, dupe is going to help us to generate that duplicate file descriptor. So there are basically two commands which can do that. One is dupe and other is dupe2. Let's first see the manual page for dupe. It says that dupe is used to duplicate the file descriptor. The dupe system call takes one parameter, which is what? The old file descriptor, and it generates on success the new file descriptor. The new file descriptor will get the lowest numbered unused file descriptor as the new value. For example, let us suppose 0, 1, 2 we know that already are fixed. 3, 4 and 5 are the file descriptor which are allocated to some other files. Then the lowest value available is 6. So if I am going to duplicate the file descriptor for 4, a file which is having the file descriptor 4 is going to get the new file descriptor as 6. So sometimes it might be necessary that you do not want system to automatically generate the new file descriptor. You want to give a new value by yourself, right? In that case, you are going to use the second method, which is using dupe2. It is going to take two parameters. First one, the old parameter, the old file descriptor, and the next parameter is the new file descriptor. So this will be the value which you are going to set. Let us suppose we want to duplicate the file descriptor 4 to 8. Then 4 will be the first parameter, 8 will be the second parameter. Always remember, if 8 is already given to some other file, then it is going to automatically close that file descriptor and allocate 8 to this particular file. There will be no warning at all. It is automatically going to do it for you. So let's see a program for this. We are going to use nano and the name of the file is d.c. Header file required is unistd.h, the main function, and then a file descriptor, integer type value. I'm going to open a file whose file descriptor we will duplicate. So I have a file in my system, dupe. Then I'm going to open it in read-only mode. Although I'm not going to do anything, either reading or writing. Now let's print this file descriptor, what value it gets. So this will be the old file descriptor. Always use backslash n. The value saved in ft. Now I'm going to use dupe, duplicate it. Duplicate what? ft. Now the new value you have to save it. So another variable ft1. Declare here ft1. Now we're going to print it. New file descriptor. T new line ft1. Right, that's it. Sorry, need to equal to. So the new file descriptor value is automatically assigned. Save it, compile. Oops, since we are using open system call, so we have forgotten to write the header files for open, which are fcntl.h, sys types, and sys stat. Compile it. Sorry. another warning. This time what we have not used stdio.h for printf. So now everything is all right. Run it. The old file descriptor is 3, new file descriptor is 4. So simple. Once again I go through it. Declare all header files. Open a file. File name is dupe. If open is successful, the file descriptor is allocated and is stored in fd. तो जब मैंने इसको duplicate करना है, then I am going to use dupe. Pass the old file descriptor here, and the new value will be assigned to fd1, and I am going to print that new value once again. Now second point was, अब जो नई वैल्यू मिली है फाइल डिस्क्रिप्टर की, आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद दिस, आई वांट माय ओन वैल्यू. सो ओनली चेंज दैट विल बी डन इज, मैं ड्यूप नहीं यूज़ करूँगा, इस टाइम गोइंग टू यूज़ ड्यूप 2 एंड इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू रिटर्न. जो नई वैल्यू है वो मैंने यहाँ पे सॉरी कैन रिटर्न द न्यू वैल्यू आई हैव टू पास माई सेल्फ, राइट. लेट अस सपोज दैट इज 7. तो अब fd1 की वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए, 7 एंड नॉट 4. File it again, run it, and there you go. Now it is 7, not 4, right? So dupe is going to do what? It is going to duplicate the file descriptor, and dupe 2 is going to again duplicate the file descriptor, but जो file descriptor की नई value है वो जो आप चाहते हो वो मिलेगी, right? So that's all about dupe system call. See you in the next lab.